Hi everyone. In this session, we will see Python virtual environment. Python application will often uses packages and modules, but those packages and modules they don't come as part of the standard library. The application will sometimes need a very specific version of a library because the application may require that particular bug has been fixed, or the application may return using some obsolete version of a library. That means it is not possible for a single Python installation to meet the requirement of all the applications. For example, here, application A require module A version 1.0, and application B, it requires the same module A but the version 2.0. So if we try to install the version 1.0 and 2.0 in the single Python, we will have a conflict. So what will happen, then only you will be able to run either the application A, or you will be able to run application B. So the solution for this problem is to create a virtual environment. The different application can use the different virtual environment. That means it will resolve the problem what we are facing. Now if you look at this example, see the application A which is running on a virtual environment 1, and application B which is running on a virtual environment 2. So that means the application A can have its own module or own libraries. Application B also can have its own modules and libraries. So there is no library or the module conflict between the application A and application B. So you can install whatever the libraries or whatever the version of the libraries for application A separately, you can install for the application B separately. So this will not have any conflict or any issue when executing those applications. In the next session, we will see how to create a virtual environment.